Hey everyone, the second term in a geometric series is 180 and the sixth term is 220 divided by 9. We're going to find the sum to infinity of the series. So here's your formula for infinite geometric series. And I'm going to write this out a little bit. So we don't know the first term, but the second term is 180. Then we have the third term, the fourth term, the fifth term, and the sixth term. And the sixth term is 20 divided by 9. So before I start, I'm going to ignore the first term and call this my first term and call this one my fifth term. All right? And to get the common ratio, what I'm going to do is write this as AR to the fifth divided by AR. So what that means is we have, because it's a common ratio that we're looking for, we're trying to find R. So we have 20 divided by 9 divided by my AR is 180. So you can just multiply those two. So that's 20 divided by 9 times 180. Simplifying that, you get 1 over 81. Now this equals, if you simplify this part, that would cancel and you get R to the fourth. So 1 divided by 81 is R to the fourth. And if you take the fourth root of both sides, you get R equals 1/3. So if your common ratio is 1/3, then you want to find A. So 80 is 180 divided by your common ratio. So that's going to equal 180 divided by 1/3 is 180 times 3, which is 540. So now you have your first term. So your first term is 540. All right, so that's just your A. And then we're going to use our formula to find the sum. So we have our A, we have our R. Our R is 1/3, and our A is 540. So our A is 540. Our R equals 1/3. So our formula is 1, or A, your first term, divided by 1 minus 1/3. So that equals 540 divided by 1 minus 1/3 is 2/3, which is the same as 540 divided by 2/3 is the same as 540 times 3/2. Basically, all you have to do is multiply those two and then divide by 2. And then when you get that, your final answer is going to be 810. And that's your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.